Your favorite movie is on your iPhone. You've downloaded your favorite movie on your iPhone and want to watch it on a bigger screen, your Samsung TV. You need a quick solution to mirror your phone's display. Family Photo Slideshow. You're in a family gathering with tons of photos on your iPhone. Showing them on the small screen doesn't do justice. You need to reflect your iPhone on a compatible Samsung TV quickly and without fuss. Sharing work presentations. You're in a crucial meeting and have an important presentation on your iPhone. You're looking for a professional and quick way to share your presentation on the Samsung TV in the meeting room. Download the DoCast app from the App Store on your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone and Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the DoCast app and follow the setup instructions to link to your Samsung TV. Once connected, simply select the screen mirroring option within the app. Your iPhone screen should now appear on your Samsung TV. Make sure your iPhone and Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone, swipe down to open the control center. Tap the screen mirroring icon. Select your Samsung TV from the list of available devices. Enter the code shown on your TV if prompted to start mirroring. Download and install the Samsung Smart View app on your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone and Samsung TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Smart View app and select your Samsung TV from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process and start screen mirroring. Purchase a Lightning Digital AV adapter and an HDMI cable. Connect the adapter to your iPhone and the HDMI cable to the adapter. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Switch your TV to the corresponding HDMI input to see your iPhone screen mirror. Plug your Chromecast device into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Ensure your iPhone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open a Chromecast-compatible app on your iPhone, like YouTube or Netflix. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device to start casting. For full-screen mirroring, use a third-party app like Replica or iWeb TV. Purchase the Apple Lightning to HDMI adapter. Connect the adapter to your iPhone and an HDMI cable. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Switch your TV to the corresponding HDMI input to see your iPhone screen mirrored. Download a reputable third-party screen mirroring app like aPower Mirror or Mirror for Samsung TV on your iPhone. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your iPhone to your Samsung TV. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Select the screen mirroring option within the app and choose your Samsung TV. Your iPhone screen should now be visible on your Samsung TV. Always ensure that both your iPhone and Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is key for most screen mirroring methods to work seamlessly.